Hey guys, what's up? It's me, SeanProtection.webs.com and YouTube.com/Pete, and today I have a hands-on of the Galaxy S10 Plus. Very similar to the Galaxy S10, it's just a bigger size. You're going to be looking at, as opposed to a 6.1 inch display on the S10 and a 5.8 inch display on the S10e, this is a 6.4 inch display. So getting into that tablet territory, that almost 7-inch tablet territory as far as display screen size. That being said, it's very similar to the Galaxy S9. You can see that you have the dual cameras on the front with a cutout in the lens. You also have that 3 cameras on the back, so you can kind of change the focal length. There you go. Without having to digitally zoom, because it's switching between the lenses on the back. You guys can see those lenses right there. So other than that, still keeps most of the same features. Biggest difference is you're also going to get a built-in fingerprint ultrasonic sensor, which actually measures a little bit different than the other ones that you guys might have seen. It's built into your display. Those usually use a light, so they shine an ultra bright light to kind of measure the ridges in your finger, whereas this is going to be a sound wave, so it'll work, for example, like when your fingers are wet and whatnot. Other than that, like I said, it's very similar in my opinion to the Galaxy S10, feature-wise and everything like that. So yeah, if you guys have any other questions, please drop them off in the comments, and I'll talk to you guys in a later video. You guys have a nice one.